Ta-da! Hey, look what I did. I made a tower out of blocks. And look how high I made it. I did it all by myself. I love playing with blocks. And I love making big, tall, beautiful towers out of blocks. So, what do you think? Isn't it terrific?
Chugga, 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 chugga. Oh, wow. Chugga, chugga,
Oh, no, look at that. Elmo and Zoe are playing with that train, and that ramp is headed straight here for my block tower. Why, if they let that train go down the ramp, it'll smash right into my tower and knock it down. Hey, Elmo, Zoe, stop.
Chugga, 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 chugga.
Hey, didn't you hear me? I said stop.
Chugga, chugga.